Assalamualaikum guys, I'm your teacher Shakil Akhtar. So guys, in this video I'm going to start a new version of SolidWorks software, that is 2022. So guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you a very basic tools of the SolidWorks software. So please watch the full video. I hope so you will learn a lot of things from this video. So let's start. Then select a plane and then sketch, and then draw random rectangle without dimensions, and then draw a random line, and then use smart dimension tool for giving the dimension accurate dimensions. For precisely, you will have to enter precise dimensions, okay? And then one by one you will have to give all the dimensions. Then go to the trim and then trim the other objects which you don't need. Then okay, then go to features tab and then select extrude and then give the dimension 63. Then okay, now select the plane and then sketch and then draw rectangle, random rectangle, and then use smart dimension tool to give the precise dimensions. One by one you will have to give all the dimensions. Then okay, and then go features tab and then extrude cut and then use through all and then okay. Then select plane again and then sketch and then draw rectangle, random rectangle you will have to draw, and then small dimension and give that accurate dimension and precise dimensions one by one. So this is a very interesting thing for this object. Then go to features tab and then select extrude cut and then okay. It's amazing. Then select right plane and then sketch and then draw shape on that sketch. Random shape, use line or different things, okay? If you drawn inclined line, then you want to straight it, then you will have to use right click and then straight the line. Okay, then small dimensions, give accurate dimensions all as well. Sorry for that. Then extrude the object and select mid plane and then give the dimensions. So now you have drawn a object which you wanna draw. Now you will have to give the coloring. Select the color of appearance. Then you will have to select the color appearance tool, and then you have to give the material on this object. You can choose any one of these which is you want to use. So choose any one which you want. You can change as per your requirement. You have learned a lot of things like how you can select the plane as well and draw different shapes on that plane, and how you can use extrude cut tool or extrude base or boss tool. And small dimension is very important and interesting tool. Whenever you will draw any shape without any dimension, and after that you will use to smart dimension tool, and then that dimension tool will accurate your dimension, and after that you will have to enter the accurate dimension and precise dimensions, okay? I hope so. This video is very helpful for you. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting upcoming videos. So thank you so much.